Being able to concentrate properly is the key to doing well at school. But not only that, it's also really important for when you're studying independently too. But how hard is it to concentrate properly? Well, we're going to show you.
So in true InnerDrive style, we thought it would be fun to start with a quick experiment. And what I want you to do in this experiment is simply count the amount of times the letter F appears in this sentence. Are you ready? Let's do this thing. So, how many did you count? Well, there were actually 6 letter Fs in that sentence, and yet most of the time, people don't manage to spot all of them.
What's clear to see is that concentration and focus are both really important, but really difficult to do. And that's why some people lose concentration or struggle to maintain it over long periods of time.
As you can see, we think online student workshops should be
research-based,
practical,
value for money,
and really fun to do.
and if this sounds exactly what you'd like for your students, then go to the InnerDrive Online Academy now.